Hi guys, how are you today? And today we are going to talk about how to do lace up style heels with nylons. I've experiencing the laces falling down, coming off, and I actually haven't tried this technique yet. So we're going to try it together for the very first time. Let me get some coffee and see if it works. But I like strappy heels, you know, and I would love to be able to wear them more with nylons. Today I am wearing the black Carlos Santana. In a previous video, I kind of did a comparison of these and a Daisy Fuentes. So if you haven't already, be sure to check that out. Also, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, you know, so that you can definitely enjoy more. Some good coffee. All right, so let's try it. We're gonna try a technique for the first time. It's actually something I haven't tried before. Let me know what you think about my fall colors. Again, all my clothing's getting super big, so I'm having to put up and adjust, but I think it still works, you know, even with the tennis shoes. But what's more important is what you think. So let me show you these heels. And I've only wore these a few times because even though I love the style, I actually got these to go with this kind of color scheme and outfit, but the ribbon straps were gonna fall down. So we're gonna try a technique that I think may work and will help, you know, anyone who's trying to wear these kind of heels. But aren't these shoes lovely? It's just a very unique kind of design and thing we got going on there. They are not the most comfortable shoes, but they have a very stylish look. All right, but I'm gonna try something that's a spin-off of, I think, I see it in my head, but we're gonna do it for the first time together, what I'm seeing in my head. So and then we're gonna test and see if it works, because the problem that I've had in the past, you know, you could get away with just doing your standard crisscross pattern if it's on you know, bare flesh. It tends to grip better and hold up. But man, and more of a challenge is the fact that this is just a ribbon. So it's just kind of, you know, a silky thing. But these shoes are really pretty. I think they're supposed to loop through the back also, but that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna turn a little bit to the side so you can see more of what I'm doing and I have going on here. I'm gonna start with the back like I would do normally, but I'm actually going to, I think I wanna tie it like as if I was tying a shoelace. I'm gonna see, we're gonna experiment and see how that looks. I think that's gonna work because that's already feeling secure. Wow, if this works, I'm gonna be wearing this style more. And I'm just tying it like as if I'm going to tie my shoes, but it's not too tight. And this actually isn't the design I saw in my head. This is something I just thought of right now. And then this one will be like this. Okay. Yeah, guys, this is tricky over nylons, but I figure just because you wear nylons, you shouldn't be outed out from being able to wear cute heels that have straps like this. It's feeling like, is it slipping? It's feeling like it's staying. Okay, but I did have another technique too. So this is technique one. So pretty much you're going to just cross it like as if you were tying your tennis shoes each time, but just once. So tie, but not too tight to where it's uncomfortable or you're cutting off your circulation. But again, you know, you're tying this on something that's silky material. So this is silky material against silky material. And this, the way I did this one is bigger. So, all right. Then now the big test will stand up, move around in it. Okay, this one doesn't have a good grip. Let's see here. Oh, okay, there it is. It's all about the angles, how you choose to do the angles on it. I don't know. That one, so one fell down, one didn't. But I do like the way these heels look with this outfit. And I feel kind of good that one stayed up. So I'm just gonna say user error. Oh, that one came down. All right, so now what that means is that we're gonna do the other technique that I had in my head. So let's take these all the way loose. So that is one. Maybe that will work for some. Maybe if this was a string strap versus a ribbon, it would work better. Now here's the other idea I had, which was to take this and to do a twist. So a two twist. And I'm thinking this is going to give more traction. So I'm just twisting it twice. And it's already feeling really secure. And this time I'm not going to be afraid to just make it a little tighter, because I know what I'm up against, you know, having silky material. You can even do 3 twists, and it's actually giving it a different kind of pattern as well. All right. That's feeling a little tight. Let's see here. Maybe tight is good, but I don't want to cut off. You don't want to cut off your circulation. You still want to be. No, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work like on this loop. But let's keep going. All right, and then if we come to the, or what if I just stop it right there in the back? No, I think I should be able to go this way. All right, so we're trying, and I don't want to make a tight knot that I can undo. So at the top of it, I am doing a bow just so that I can easily undo it. So actually that's falling down already. So I think my first technique, guys, is the one we're going to go with. So the one in my head with the double twist didn't work. Let me try with the shoelace style tying there. It worked the first time. Let's try it again. By the way, let me know what you're thinking about these heels. I don't wear these a lot because I do wear open toe a lot, but since I'm in the middle of a pedicure color change, I thought I would bust these out, and especially because I'm wearing these kind of fall colors. All right, so here's this one. Getting to the top is, oh, I got an idea. Maybe I don't try to go up so high. Maybe that's the trick, to not try to get all the way up on the calf. Something to think about. Okay, so far, as you can see, it's staying up. Oh, and it has a lovely crisscross pattern as well. We're going to try to fix this one. So let's see how we do. Okay, so this was the one that had fell down, but now I know the trick, especially if you have, you know, good sized calves. And you're wearing nylons. Don't try to get it up over the calf. I just discovered something new. Wow. Not only does it go faster, it feels more secure. Because the last thing you want to do is be out walking and then have your straps come undone. Okay, so this is feeling so much better. So how does it look? Let's see. It is staying. The straps are not coming down on the heels. I think that technique is going to work. So that is what I would suggest if you are wearing anything with straps that you have to tie and lace up over your stockings or pantyhose. I'm going to suggest that you make the loops like I did, just like as if you were tying a tennis shoe shoelace, and keep doing that back and forth. And also my other tip is don't try to go up over your calf, because the more you stretch it out, the more likely it is to be silky and fall down. So let's walk a little and just make sure that this is looking good. Yeah, these feel a little big. Now, in my other video, I did wear a different kind of heels, and let me know what you think about these with this outfit. Okay, so if you haven't already and you enjoyed this, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and also check out the other videos. And yeah, I know I normally do open-toed, but let me know your thoughts on these as well. All right, bye, loves.